In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and build a report with Microsoft Power BI. By the end, you'll know how to bring in your data, design clear visuals, and polish your report so it's easy to understand and performs well. Start by opening your Microsoft Power BI desktop app and creating a blank report. This gives you a fresh canvas to work on. Next, bring in your data. On the Home tab, click Get Data. Choose the source that matches where your information lives: Excel, CSV, SQL Server, Oracle, Web, SharePoint, and more. Click Connect, then navigate to your file or database, pick the specific sheet, table, or view you want, and select Load. Loading pulls the data into your report so you can work with it right away. If multiple tables are offered, only load the ones you actually need to keep things lean and responsive. With your data ready, make sure you're in Report View, the canvas icon on the left. This is where you'll build and arrange visuals. From the Visualizations pane, choose the visual that best suits your message. Use bar or column charts to compare categories side by side, line charts to highlight trends over time, tables and matrices for granular details and summaries, cards to spotlight single key numbers, pie charts for simple proportions, and KPIs to track progress toward a target. After selecting a visual, drag fields from the Fields pane into the appropriate buckets like axis, values, and legend to shape what the visual displays. Now, refine how your report looks and reads. With a visual selected, open the format options to polish it. Add clear, descriptive titles that tell viewers exactly what they're seeing. Adjust colors to be consistent and high contrast so information stands out. Turn on data labels when they add clarity, and configure tooltips to show helpful details on hover without overwhelming the page. Tidy up axes by setting readable scales and category labels, and apply sorting to guide the story you want the data to tell. Keep fonts consistent across visuals and make sure everything is easy to read at a glance. Finally, optimize your report for focus and performance. Remove unnecessary fields or columns that you don't plan to use. This keeps your data model lighter and your workspace uncluttered. Avoid cramming too many visuals onto one page. A clean, spacious layout with a few well-chosen visuals is far more effective than a crowded canvas. Use alignment and spacing so the viewer's eye naturally moves from overview to detail. That's it for building a clear, effective Power BI report. Thanks for watching.